kids, it's me, Teacher Menche. So today I will tell you about the sun. What is the sun? I know you are wondering what is the sun and how big it is, right? So here I will be reading all the things, all the facts about the sun. Are you ready? Me too, I'm ready. The sun is a star. It is the center of the solar system. The planet and all other objects in the solar orbit in the solar system orbit the sun. Wow, it's huge. Look at that. The sun is huge. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. The sun is about 865,000 miles or 1.5 million kilometers wide. About 109 Earths could fit across the sun. The energy moves to the surface. It leaves the sun as light and heat. The light and heat reach Earth in only 8 minutes. The sun is made of gases. The gases smash into each other in the core and let it out energy. The surface of the sun is very hot. It is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 5,500 degrees Celsius. Sunspot. This is the sunspots. Sunspots appear on the sun. These dark patches are cooler than the rest of the surface. The surface of the sun bubbles, giant loops called prominences, sometimes stretch out from the surface. Explosions above the surface make solar flares. Gases from solar flares shoot out into space. The sun sends out solar wind. These streams of gas flow through space. Solar wind can make auroras in the night sky on Earth. Auroras are often bands of green, red, or purple light. The sun is 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers from Earth. That is just the right distance. Earth is not too hot or too cold. People, animals, and plants can live there. It takes Earth 1 year to orbit the sun. The seasons change as Earth circles the sun. Earth spins around once in a day. From Earth, the sun appears to move across the sky. The sunlight only shines on half of Earth at a time. It is a day where the sun shines. It is night where the sun does not shine. The sun gives Earth heat and light. Its energy stirs Earth's atmosphere to make the weather. It gives us food by helping plants grow. Without the sun, Earth would be a cold, dark place. The sun gives us the energy we need to live. Okay, the end. So that's all, kids. So I will see you next time. Bye.